I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your Pinterest password, don't worry. Here is a simple guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Go to the Pinterest login page. Visit the Pinterest website or open the app. Look for the login section where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Pinterest account. Make sure it's the correct one, as this is where the recovery link will be sent. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Pinterest with a password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes it can end up there. Step 5. Follow the link and set a new password. Click on the link in the email, and it will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure it is strong and memorable. If you encounter any issues, like not receiving the email, double check the email address you entered or try again after a few minutes. Good luck and happy pinning!